Oh, we have wild doggies. Yes, we do. Hey! Look at them. They're so excited. They're out with the adults and me. They just bounce around. They grab their daddy doggy's face. He don't like it. And then he teases them. Listen to him. What are you doing? Gus, listen to you. You act like you don't like playing with them puppies, and then you get all after them. Yeah, that's it, daddy doggy. What you doing over here, Flash? Huh? What's that? Mama and Daddy are playing tug of war. Yes, and we got one baby in the bed with Mama. Ooh. Where's Wally? Wally! Wally, Wally, Wally. Hi, Wally. Hi, Wally. Raina, your name is not Wally. His nickname is Wally. There he is. He's so cute. What's your daddy doing, Wally? And your brother comes over and mugs you. Oh! What is this? Baby's trying to get a Beanie Baby. We jumping around like little rabbits. We trying to get Beanie Baby. Get her, get her, get her. Get her, get her, get her. Keep telling Beanie she better get used to you guys, because she's going to have some of her own. What is it, Wally? Huh? Daddy doggy's doing something. Hey, here comes baby. Oh, baby, settle down a little bit. It's hard to keep track of who's who. Wally, you gonna play tug of war with your daddy doggy? Daddy doggy won't let you win. There's baby. And there's Flash. Oops, my hands are jiggling so much. Hey, Flash. Puppy, puppy, Flash. Cutie pie. Oh, look at Wally. Wally, look up at me again like you were. Turn your back on me. You were making such a cute face. Puppy, 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 puppy. There's Wally. Wally, puppy, puppy. Hi, baby. Oh, everybody's gonna pile in on Mama. She got a toy, huh? Mama doesn't give up toys very easily. So you're gonna go back and try, baby. You're gonna try and get Daddy Dog's toy. What are you doing, baby? Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, you little nubby tail wagging. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Yes, there's your face. Cute face. Yes, such a cute face. Flash, you really think you're going to get that away from your mother? I don't think so. Any second now, she's going to jerk it and just fling it around. Baby, you want to look at me again? Puppy, puppy. Hi, baby. Puppy, puppy. Hi, Wally. I can't get Flash to do that. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Hey, Flash. I'm going to have to edit some parts of this. Get the best shots of you. Oh, look at that little nubby tail. She wants that toy. Daddy Doggy's going to grab it. Look at the tail. Oh, Daddy Doggy, you're a big baby. Gosh, you are a big baby. Hi, Wally. There's Flash. There's Flash. Now you what? You gonna come over and bite my feet or something? I'm almost out of battery and now I'm getting my best stuff of you guys. You want that toy, huh? Daddy Doggy's not gonna give it up. You gonna try and take it away from him, baby? Bounce around, Flash. That's right. You're cute.